welcome back to my channel. Yes, I am back. I'm starting to feel better. I'm just kind of getting out of my little slump that I have been in. So CVS never really stopped me from couponing. It was just running everywhere. It's kind of what got me going. Plus I just wanted to sit down and relax. That's all I really wanted. I feel like with couponing we're always trying to get the next deal, which is fine, but sometimes it's like, is it worth it driving all over these places? But I will be back. Most likely I will be doing a Target and Walmart video for you guys tomorrow, so keep your fingers crossed that I might do that. It all depends on how I feel. But here I am bringing you guys my CVS haul. Now, if you guys go to the red machine, you guys scan your card. Now I have to scan my card 4 times to have all the CRTs print off. Yeah, 4 times. It's like, seriously, how much why can't it all print off at once? So then I was looking and I was trying to find my Maybelline instant CRT. That didn't print off, and the 74-cent Hershey candy did not print off. Now, it did not print off on both of my cards. And I'm like, what the heck happened? I don't know why. I said something. I'm not even going to complain to CVS because I hate their customer service. You could call them. They won't do anything. I mean, they maybe give you like 1 extra care buck, which is not worth me just calling them up. So I'm like, whatever. I'm not going to do that deal. Now, one of the employees said I could come back later in the week and scan my card again. I don't want to. My store is like 20 minutes away. Unless I'm like near that area, I'm not going to. So just giving you guys a heads up. But I'm here to share with you guys now what I could get. Now, a lot of the deals I had written down that I wanted to do, they just did not work out in my favor because I didn't have the CRTs that I wanted, or just it wasn't, you know, the right price at my store. So the first deal that I ended up doing is the Persil deal. Now, I love doing this deal. Persil is my favorite laundry detergent that I've been using for the last like 3 or 4 years. I absolutely love this stuff. So these were $4.94. We had those $2 off coupons that just came out in today's paper. Now, if you guys didn't get those coupons, are available also on coupons.com. You guys would pay $2.94 for this, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Savings Star. Now, you guys can't really submit your receipt. With Savings Star, you make sure your card is linked to your account and it automatically submits it. A lot of you guys are like, oh, it's not, I can't do it. No, you just make sure your card is linked to it. Make sure you guys have that offer checked, and it'll automatically do it for you guys. If you guys go like later on this week and check that deal's not there, then it's all gone. Savings Star only limits so many deals, so just giving you guys a heads up with that. But you guys will get $2 with Savings Star, making this just 94 cents, which I absolutely love getting 94 cents. Now, if you guys see like a red glow right here, my son and my husband just plugged in a lava lamp that I bought at CVS like last winter for their 90% sale, and so they're just waiting for it to start like gooing up. Whoa, looking at it's really weird. But so I'm just giving you guys a heads up. If you see like a red glare, I can show you guys. If you guys see like a red glare, no, never mind, I tried. So just giving you guys a heads up with that. I'm also like starting to get a cold, and I do have to drink something every once in a while because I'm like just super thirsty all of a sudden. Okay, the next deal I was excited to get is this Physicians Formula Christmas gift pack. They had 2 different kinds. They had one with all the lip gloss, but I don't need, next time I go maybe I'll get the lip gloss one. But this one has a lip gloss in it, mascara, a minerals pearl thing, a primer, and an oil-free serum. And it says it's over a $60 bag, and then it comes with a makeup bag, so that's kind of cool. And this is a $60 value. Well, they have this for $14.99 at CVS. So I had a 4 off of 15 makeup CRT that I was going to use. Well, since I didn't go to CVS last week, I also submitted all my CRTs on my app. So 2 off of 12 came off also. So I didn't know you could combine those, but it automatically combined them. So I paid $8.99 for this, but then you guys will get $10 back in an ECB, making this a $1.01 moneymaker. So I got this absolutely free. Now this is great if you guys want to give something for gifts or something that you guys want to do. I don't know, I might use it. We'll see. We'll see. I literally like using this Pearl thing, and I think the mascara, I should probably give it a try, but I don't know. For free, I absolutely love that. So now my camera is telling me that my battery is dead, so now I gotta change my battery, so I'll be right back. So the next deal I ended up doing is a Tresemme and the Suave deal. I'm really wanting to try Tresemme. I haven't used Tresemme in forever, but the Tresemme is 2 for $10, so we're gonna use 2 of the Tresemmes, and then the Suave is 2 for $6. So what you guys want to use is a 3 off of 2 coupon that we just got in today's paper for the Suave, and a 5 off of 2 for the Tresemme. You guys would pay $8 for the 4 of these, but then you guys can get a $5 ECB back, making it just $3 or 75 cents each, which is a pretty good deal. I have a breath all of a sudden, but you can also submit you guys' receipt to Fetch Rewards if you guys haven't already. Fetch Rewards is my second favorite app. All you do is just scan your receipts and you guys get points, and if you guys scan certain items you get bonus points, and you guys can redeem points as little as $3. So I think that's like, what is it, 3,000 points is $3, so you guys can get little things like that. I try to save up all my points for that kind of app for Christmas so I can get a free Christmas. So just giving you guys a heads up, but when you do redeem, they only let you redeem 1 gift card per 6 hours. So if you guys are looking at, you know, the holidays coming up and you guys have enough points, make sure you give yourself enough time to redeem. So just giving you guys a heads up. I didn't submit my receipt to Fetch Rewards yet, but I think that's a pretty good deal for that. I ended up getting, actually no, I mixed these up. I ended up getting, yeah, I have like some other ones from my last haul. Now I was gonna do the soft soap deal, but my store had those for $4.59, and that means I would have had to buy 3. And I thought the soft soap body wash deal was included, but it wasn't. Or the Irish Springs body wash deal was not included. It was a bar soap, but I had a body wash CRT, so I'm just like, eh. So I was talking to one of the employees. She's like, well, you could do this deal. And I'm like, okay. So I'm like, it's not the greatest deal, but it's something different. I ended up getting the Nivea body wash. Now, there might be coupons out there. I don't know. I don't think there is. If there is, not a big deal. But these were $5.99. I used that 3 off of 10 CRT for body wash that I got. I ended up paying $8.98. You guys would pay you guys would end up getting $5 back in an ECB, making this just $3.98 or just $2 a piece. Again, not the greatest, but it's still a pretty decent deal. So just wanted to share with you guys with that. Now, I don't know what I was thinking when I did this deal. I'm like, oh, this is a good deal. I ended up paying $1. But then after I was doing my math when I got home, I don't know why. My head doesn't think straight when I'm at the store. But when I get home, then it thinks straight. But I ended up getting this Makeup Academy. Now this is the eyeshadow base. Now I actually use an eyeshadow base. I wear it all the time because my eyeshadow, I'm all about my eyeshadow. I'm obsessed with eyeshadow. So I always use a base. Right now I'm using Urban Decay, and then when I'm done with that, I'm going to try using the Wet n Wild stuff. But these are $10. I used a 3 off of 6 Makeup Academy CRT that I had. So I ended up paying $7 for this, but then you guys will get $4 back, making it $3. I don't know what I was thinking. I was thinking it was going to come out to be $1 when I was at the store. I'm like, what the heck? So, but $3, whatever. It went towards the beauty. Okay, so that was my haul. Again, I wanted to do the Hershey deal, couldn't do the Maybelline deal because I didn't get those instant savings. So if you guys did it, that's good for you. But yeah, I'm not going to complain. I'm not going to do anything about it. It's not worth it. But I'm out of breath all of a sudden. I did 3 transactions. One transaction was just the Nivea body wash because a lot of those 2 off of or whatever, you can't combine those on the same transaction, so I just do multiple transactions now. So one transaction came to 98 cents. I used $8 worth of ECBs, but then I received $5 back, so that came to be $3.98 for everything. The second transaction was 99 cents. I used $16 worth of ECBs, but I received $15 back, making it $1.99. And then transaction number 3 was $3.94. I used $6 worth of ECBs, but I received $4 back, making it $5.94. Now, if you guys add all 3 up, I paid, technically I only had to pay $5 for everything, which I think is a pretty good deal, or $6 for everything. But if you guys add, you know, how much I lost on ECBs, it comes out to be $11.91, which I still think $6 for all that stuff is still a pretty good deal. I ended up getting just 9 items. That was $1.32 a piece. So not the greatest haul this week. I just kind of been in that slump, and I'm just kind of getting back, you know, back from the slump so I can show you guys some more deals. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this CVS haul. Please give this video a thumbs up so I can show you guys more videos, and I will see you guys all next time. See you guys later. Bye-bye.